Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Friday, August 23rd, 2024. Sony introduces the Soneium Layer 2 built on the OP stack. The Quadratic Accelerator releases its white paper. Applications open for Optimism Retro Funding 5. And the next upgrade after Pectra is named Fusaka. All this and more starts right now. Sony Block Solutions Labs introduced Soneium, a new Layer 2 chain built on the OP stack. Soneium is designed as a general-purpose chain for applications across entertainment, gaming, and finance. The project aims to bring mainstream users into Web3 by integrating with Sony's existing products and services. Soneium is preparing to launch its initial testnet, providing developers with the opportunity to build on the network. The project is also onboarding infrastructure providers like Chainlink, Alchemy, Circle, and The Graph. The Star network, developed by Startail Labs, will also integrate its assets with Soneium. As part of the Superchain, Soneium will contribute to the Superchain Collective, implement shared upgrades, and allocate a portion of its sequencer revenue to retroactive funding. The Quadratic Accelerator released its white paper for the Quadratic Acceleration Protocol, a tokenization mechanism that merges augmented bonding curves with quadratic funding to create a fair token distribution mechanism for projects. The protocol uses quadratic funding to enable communities to become stakeholders by supporting projects and receiving protocol tokens in return. The Augmented Bonding Curve, or ABC, directs revenue from token issuance to a reserve pool and collects a small fee from every transaction to provide a continuous revenue stream for projects. The Quadratic Accelerator is now accepting applications for its first cohort of projects, offering up to $50,000 in grants on Polygon. And lastly, applications are now open for Optimism's fifth retroactive funding round. The round features 8 million OP tokens in retroactive grants for contributors of the OP stack. Eligible projects include Ethereum core contributions such as clients, OP stack research and development, and OP stack tooling. Applications close on September 5th. In other news, the next upgrade after Pectra will be named Fusaka, with the consensus upgrade named after the star Fulu and the execution upgrade named after the DEFCON 5 city, Osaka. A California court rules in favor of Kraken, ruling that none of the tokens trading on the exchange are securities, and Ethereum Attestation Service introduces the Transitive Trust algorithm. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us on X at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week.